So my question to you guys, am I the only one that's hearing some rumors or seeing some rumors that Troylee Designs and GasGas may not be working together in the future? Uh, I don't know. And this is where I'm asking you. In the comments below, am I just reading garbage from everybody or am I right about this? Because I think last year, 2023, there was a story about them signing a extension together. I don't remember how long it was. Um, I I don't know. So the weird thing is though, like 2024, so is it only a 2-year extension? If so, that's a very short time span for a title sponsor, I guess you'd want to call them, a design sponsor, whatever they technically are. And it kind of begs the question, is GasGas going to be folded back underneath the KTM umbrella and be more of a in-house team, which where does that go? What kind of gear are they going to be running? There's a lot of questions to this because if you know Troylee Designs, pretty good guy, pretty good company, I guess would be more of a correct term for it. But gear sponsors, and then it's a big name. It's not exactly like some small company just throwing out something there and whatever. So it's just a weird thing to me that somebody that big, whether it's maybe GasGas, maybe it's Troy Lee Designs as a company, maybe it's money. Who knows where this goes? I'm just curious about this because obviously with Barsha, being a big name on the sport, DiFrancesco coming up, it's kind of one of those things that is this something different because Prado may be coming over, but then again, there's also the rumor that he's going to Kawasaki taking Cianciarulo's seat. So who knows? I'm just actually kind of curious because I've seen multiple people post about this, and it's been like one a couple weeks ago, and I saw something today, and then I saw something, a couple of them today, actually, technically. And it's one of those weird things. And I'm curious on your take on the thing. One, would you be sad if Troy Lee does end up splitting? Do you think they'd go to a different team? I've also seen the semi side of this rumor that if they do split, it might be Troy Lee Designs working with Triumph, which would be kind of cool. Also, different? I don't know. It's just I'm curious on what your thoughts on it. Is it true? Is this just whatever garbage somebody was talking about and it's kind of gotten spread around? And just whatever you want to say. Comments down below. Tell me what you think. If you heard anything, do you know anything? Are you in on the inside somewhere and you know something, or you don't care? Whatever. Comment down below. Tell me if you like churros, even for whatever. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it does help me a lot and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.